Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase. This is the replacement strap for the Garmin Instinct watch. And this item I got off of AliExpress for $3.50. That includes shipping from China to the United States. I like doing these videos because there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. I will put a link to this particular strap in my video so you can check it out. So Garmin sells replacement straps for about 50 bucks, and I have found that the ones on AliExpress are just as good. I've never had any issues with them irritating my skin. I find the quality to be very good, really the exact same as the original straps that come on the Garmin. The only difference, of course, is if you look at the buckle on this, you don't have the Garmin logo. They've got a couple different ones. This is my second strap from this company. They've got other colors if you want to mix and match the colors. Now, the one thing I will say that I do not do is they give you a tool and they give you pins. I use the original pins that came with the Garmin watch because they're a little bit thicker. Here's my pin from Garmin and here's the pin from AliExpress. The Garmin was just a little bit thicker, but nonetheless, they work great. I've got my Garmin Instinct here. These straps are going to be the same whether you've got the Instinct 1 or the Instinct 2 series. They all use the same strap size, as long as you don't have one of the S models. The S model is going to be a little bit smaller. So now I don't have fingernails. Usually I can do this. I might have to get a knife out, and I probably should have put the key locks on so I didn't turn on my compass like I just did there, but that's okay. That's one side, and then let's go ahead and get the other side going. And again, I missed it. Usually I'm pretty quick at this. There we go. And there is my replacement strap from my Garmin Instinct. Looks great. The color is great. $3.50. Again, I'll put a link in this video, but I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.